Now I want to talk about some of the background understanding that you'll need if you're going to be able to work effectively with N-Audio. First of all, it's really important to understand what sampled audio is, to know what sample rates are and what one you would choose, to understand the difference between the different bit depths that are available, including both integer samples, such as 16-bit, 24-bit, and floating point samples. You need to know what uncompressed PCM is, and to understand a bit about clipping and headroom. You'll also probably need to know a bit about codecs, which are used to encode and decode audio to and from PCM. And with many codecs, you can select a bit rate, so it's useful to understand what the trade-offs are as you choose bit rates. It will also be very useful for you to understand some of the most commonly used audio file formats, in particular the WAV and MP3 file formats. And it also will help you to know a bit about audio effects. Effects are where we change the sound of the audio by manipulating it at the sample level. And there are many different types of audio effects, some of which are provided by N-Audio and some which you need to create yourself. And finally, it's very important to understand the concept of signal chains, or audio pipelines as they're sometimes called. You'll need to know the various items that can go in an audio signal chain: inputs and outputs, effects, visualizations, mixers and buses. And all of these concepts I cover in some detail on the Digital Audio Fundamentals course, which is also on Pluralsight. I designed that course to be the precursor to this one, with the intention that you would take that one first and then do this course. So if any of the things I've mentioned here you're perhaps a little bit unclear on, then I'd encourage you to take the Digital Audio Fundamentals course first and then come back and finish this N-Audio course.